How do I safely change my earrings after 3 weeks?
Changing your earrings for the first time after getting a new piercing can be a bit nerve-wracking. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure a safe and easy experience.
Is it the right time to change my earrings?
After getting your ears pierced, it is essential to wait for at least 3 weeks before changing your earrings. This waiting period allows your ears to heal properly and reduces the risk of infection or complications. If you're experiencing pain, swelling, or discharge, it's best to consult with a professional before proceeding.
What supplies will I need?
Before you start, gather the following supplies: new earrings, preferably hypoallergenic, clean hands, wash with soap and water, rubbing alcohol or saline solution, cotton balls or swabs, a clean towel or tissue.
How do I prepare my new earrings?
To ensure your new earrings are clean and safe to use, follow these steps. 1. Place the new earrings on a clean surface. 2. Soak a cotton ball or swab in rubbing alcohol or saline solution. 3. Gently clean the new earrings with the soaked cotton ball or swab, focusing on the post and backing. 4. Allow the earrings to air dry.
How do I safely remove my current earrings?
Removing your current earrings safely is important to minimize any discomfort or risk of infection. Follow these steps. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. 2. Use a clean towel or tissue to gently hold your earlobe. 3. Grasp the front of the earring with one hand and the backing with the other. 4. Slowly and gently twist the backing counterclockwise to loosen it. 5. Carefully pull the earring straight out of your earlobe, avoiding any sudden movements or tugging.
How do I insert my new earrings?
Once you have safely removed your current earrings, follow these steps to insert your new earrings. 1. Hold the new earring by the decorative front, with the post pointing toward your earlobe. 2. Gently push the post into the hole in your earlobe, taking care not to force it. 3. Once the earring is in place, secure it with the backing by twisting it clockwise. 4. Make sure the backing is secure, but not too tight, to allow for swelling or movement.
How do I care for my ears after changing earrings?
After changing your earrings, continue to follow proper aftercare to ensure your ears remain healthy and infection-free. Clean your piercings daily with a saline solution or rubbing alcohol. Avoid touching your ears with dirty hands. Keep your hair and other objects away from your piercings. Consult a professional if you experience pain, swelling, or discharge. Changing your earrings for the first time can be a breeze when you follow these simple steps. Remember to always prioritize cleanliness and safety, and enjoy your new earrings.